Hi guys, it's me, Indiana Jones. I wanted to make a quick video because a fellow YouTuber and friend, Second Hand Tracey Ann, is having a collaborative video playlist called the Christmas Dream Tree. So I wanted to share with you my Christmas tree, pretty much. And this is Tuesday morning. I have to get to work soon. I can't remember if I have a meeting now at 9 o'clock, and I should check that before I start videoing. Don't you think? Oh well. Anyway, this will take 5 minutes and no longer. Although I'm recording and it's live, it's not going to be live. I'm going to post it up later with some music and stuff like that. But anyway, here's my tree. Let me take it back a little. Take it back, take it back, take it back. There you go. There's my tree. So just so you get a scale of the tree and its bigness, it's probably like, I don't know, 8 feet tall? 8 or 9 feet tall. I think it was 9 feet and we chopped a little bit off the bottom, so it's a little shorter than probably like just 8 feet. And as you can see, I have a huge window. I don't know if you can see it all. Yes, I still have hurricane shutters. I don't have a ladder, so I can't get the dang hurricane shutters down since August. I'm sorry, just can't. Gotta get a ladder, gotta get a neighbor, gotta get some time. You gotta remember to do it. But anyway, it's fine. Actually, that's saving the tree from getting like old and weathered too soon. So let's go quickly. So I probably put in around 5 sets of twinkly colored lights. I always like colored lights on the inside, white lights on the outside. Kind of classy, kind of crazy. And the tree is pretty much a mishmash of my life. Let's go through this really quickly. So I know I'm a crafter, and I know I have some crafty crafts that I made here. So this is a shadow box that I made of a little Christmas tree with a Christmas card in the background that I had. And I said, oh, let me take an old box that I couldn't find the top to, and I made a little Christmas ornament, a little shadow box Christmas ornament. And I have another one of like that somewhere. Speaking of crafty, here's one that little Luke made. It's just little beads that they put on a wire at school. And there he says, "To my family, love, Luke." And a lot of these are like decorations that friends give me. This is actually from an estate sale. Now, I was dumb because I should have bought the whole box. This woman had a whole Victorian pink kind of theme to her tree. Should have bought the whole box, but I have a few little doodads. I have a lot of Hallmark ornaments. This is one of my favorites because it reminds me of when I was a little girl in the 70s, and we always get these Barbie heads. And we would paint their nails, and we would do atrocities to these Barbie heads because we were kids. Cut off their hair, stuff like that. And then, you know, to represent the nerd in me, I do have a TARDIS. My car is named the TARDIS. This is from Doctor Who, if you don't know. But yeah, I have a little TARDIS in my tree. And I think it's apropos because he always regenerates. Doctor Who always regenerates around Christmas time. I thought that was nice. I have, for you Star Wars fans, I have Han Solo. I have a couple of things. I have Darth Vader on there, Han Solo. I have Indiana Jones, of course. I would have Indiana Jones on there. I have this guy. He's from Britain, so a couple of these are from trips that I've taken. Not that I've taken that many trips anywhere. I have this one. I think this was from North Carolina. Thought that was really cute. What else do I have? This is another one that I made on a little shadow box. Ding, ding, ding. They're really simple to make, and I have a video. I'll probably share that video. This is from our trip to Ireland. Of course, I have a red truck. This is from our trip to New York. This was, of course, when I was still married and we were a family of 4. What else do I have around here? That's fun. Oh, here's one. This is one that I recently made. You can watch me doing this with Eileen from The Flept. She's very cool, and I taught her how to make these because these are usually pretty pricey when you go to any Disney store. And you can customize them, and you can sign them. You can make one for each one of your friends. I also have, what else do I have here? I have a lot of movies represented that I love. I have Ralphie. There's Ralphie. You can see it with all those sprinkling and the sparkling lights in the background. And I also have It's a Wonderful Life in here somewhere. There's It's a Wonderful Life right there. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, I should have done this while I was decorating, but oh well. There's a Wonderful Life. And then of course I also have a sprinkling of photos of my family. Here's an ornament that Ethan made when he was little. Ethan has now moved out in Boca. Not too far from me, but it's during the Christmas holiday. It's kind of hard because he's working retail. He is a watchmaker. He is actually a certified watchmaker with the Swiss watchmaking company, and now works with Mayors, and he's doing very well. Mama expects a nice big present from him. That's all I'm saying, hint, hint. Let me see what I got on this side. Can you see me? You can't see me. I'm already at 5 or 6 minutes. I'm gonna make this quick. This was a boat from Nantucket when I was up there. Trying to find pictures of family. I can't find any pictures. What's this? Picture of the boys when they were little. It's so faded. Oh, I am a terrible mom. And just like a mishmash of stuff that people give us or give me, I should say. This is St. Augustine. I think it's in This is from St. Augustine. I know it's not that exotic, but it's in St. Augustine. Lighthouse. I couldn't think of the name. I couldn't think of the word lighthouse. And then the other thing that I added this year that I haven't had before are these feathers. I found these feathers on clearance at Hobby Lobby. I think they were 90% off, so I think they were from like $1 to like 10 cents. Yeah, 10 cents. I said, oh, these are cool. So I literally bought like $2 worth, and they're just hung all over the place. And this one is from Walmart. I love these chandeliers because it fills in like the little holes. And I'm kind of sad because this is maybe the last year that I use a natural tree. Anyway, I'm running out of time. Real quick, we have a little kind of a tradition that we do, and it was started by Luke, where we thank and bless the tree and pray for the tree, and we ask it for forgiveness for taking it out of its forest home, and thank it for being a beautiful addition to our home during Christmas. And we name the tree, and this year's tree's name is Fraser. Yes, we've named it from like Evergreen to Eve to Joy, whatever, but I came up with the name Fraser. So there's my dream tree, Fraser. I still have to finish. Oh, and my little angel on top. I don't know if you can see her. There she is. A little angel on top. Always have an angel. So there you go. This is my dream tree. Thank you again, Tracey Ann, Second Hand Tracey Ann, for being my YouTube friend the last couple of months that I found you on YouTube, and wishing everyone a wonderful, beautiful holiday season and a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. And if this is your first time watching me, please come onto my channel. I do a lot of wacky stuff. I'm not your regular crafter. I dress up as characters and decide to do things, or I go live and just flub things up because I just, you know, get home late and I want to unwind, and I do it by crafting. So there you go. Second Hand Tracey. Thank you again for letting me join your playlist, and here's my dream tree. Bye guys. Gotta go to work.